press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
And Godrej Security Solutions, TV partner Republic TV, radio partner Radio City, outdoor partner Bright Outdoor, digital partner MediaNewsForYou.com, even managed by Indian production company, and this is of course an initiative by IWMBuzz.com. Guys, let me make this session a little more interactive. आप लोग चाय वाय पियो, एकदम मस्ती में बैठे हो यार. Instagram कौन-कौन यूज करता है यहाँ पर? Okay. सर आप हाँ जी यूज़ करते हैं सर. हाथ ऊपर कीजिए ना सर. हाँ ऐसे मतलब तकरीबन सभी लोग यूज़ करते हैं. सर कितने फॉलोअर्स हैं आपके? सर चलेगा सर, मेरे भी हार्डली है. कितने? 200 के आसपास. दिव्या जी आपके कितने फॉलोअर्स हैं? 400-500. कितने को फॉलो करती है आप? मोर देन दैट. ओके. फॉलोअर्स याद है, फॉलोइंग याद नहीं है. नहीं होता है. हाँ जी मैडम, आप 350. ओके. सर आप अभी आए हो, चाय पीकर बैठे हो, आप इंस्टाग्राम पर हो? हाँ. कितने फॉलोअर्स हैं आपके? कोई फिल्म स्टार को फॉलो करते हैं आप? कोई फिल्म स्टार को फॉलो नहीं करते. पॉलिटिशियन को फॉलो करते हैं? तो सर इंस्टाग्राम क्यों खुला है आपने सर? ओके, ऑल राइट. एक सवाल पूछता हूं दोस्तों आप सभी से. Who do you think is the biggest social media influencer in today's times? Sorry? चलिए, विराट कोहली का फॉलोइंग कितना बताइए? 50 million. Any more answers? रोनाल्डो द फुटबॉलर कितना है? Okay. Let me rephrase the question. Who is the biggest social media influencer in India? Who? The TikTok star. Okay. Anyone else? आपने विराट बोल दिया. Anyone else? वो मोहतरमा जी आप फोन पे लगी है शायद, आप चेक कर रही हो गूगल पर. Okay. Any more guesses? मैं बताता हूँ आपको. The biggest social media influencer today is someone who doesn't even have a social media account. His name is Taimur Ali Khan. When Taimur Ali Khan was born, it was 1 million views. When Taimur Ali Khan smiled, it was 5 million views. And do you know what happened when Taimur Ali Khan cried? It was called breaking the internet. अब मैं क्यों बोल रहा हूँ इसको? क्योंकि हमारा अगला सेशन है किड इन्फ्लुएंसर्स के बारे में. इट इज़ अबाउट द चैलेंजेस एंड अपॉर्चुनिटीज फॉर किड इन्फ्लुएंसर. एंड दिस सेशन विल बी एन इन कॉन्वर्सेशन सेशन विद तरनदीप सिंह सेखॉन, मार्केटिंग डायरेक्टर किड्ज़ेनिया इंडिया. तरनदीप, कैन आई हैव यू ऑन स्टेज प्लीज? तालियों से स्वागत कीजिए तरनदीप का. He'll be joined by Anantya Anand, aka Miss Anand, kids content creator. Can we have a round? And Arjun Sahu, founder Shruti Arjun Anand Digital Media Private Limited. तालियों से स्वागत कीजिए इनका भी. Let the conversation begin, guys.
Thank you, Sonu. Thank you so very much. Welcome back. I hope you had a nice tea coffee session. Through the day, we've heard experts, content makers, marketers sharing their insights, their learnings about how to market to kids, how to reach out to kids, how to reach out to parents. And I'm so happy that, we're doing something different, but which is very much needed. We have a saying in our marketing lingo, marketing to kids is not a child's play. Okay, but with me, there are two people who've literally made it a child's play. All of you must be knowing Miss Anand, my Miss Anand, which is Anantya. Those who don't know her, you are at the right platform today. She is India's biggest kid YouTuber. Okay, just to share some stats, she has more than 5.75 million subscribers. Her every video on YouTube gets average 5 million plus views. Her top videos have more than 35 million views. And just a small plug-in, At Kidzania, we were really lucky. We are really thankful. We hosted a birthday party 1.5 years ago. She's 10 now. And it was purely organic. She came, she just enjoyed, she had a great time. And that video has got us 11 million views, which is our highest viewed video on the channel. So that's the power of this child, which has shown us, how marketing to kids could be really easy. And the gentleman alongside Anantya is none other than her Fuppadji, but he is also the brainchild behind this entire phenomenon. So he leads the social media domain, be it YouTubing or Instagram profile, and they are also called the biggest Indian YouTube family. So her Buaji, who is also the wife of Arjun, she is also a leading YouTuber. She has more than 6.5 million subscribers. Her mom is here. She has millions of subscribers. So it's all in the family. They have close to 15-20 million subscribers. So you can imagine we literally have India's YouTube sitting here. Okay, so I think that's it from me. We'll have these quick 15 minutes to know much more from them so that they can share their experiences, and then we'll have some questions quickly. So Anantya, we'll start with you. Okay, you've been blogging now since 5 years, you're 10. I just shared some stats. Tell me, what has been your experience as a YouTuber? You started with unboxing videos, hair design videos, hairstyling videos. How has your experience been?
इट इज़ पर्सनली वेरी गुड. जब मैं छोटी थी मुझे वीडियोस बनाने में बहुत मज़ा आता था, और मतलब मैंने ऐसे ही शुरू किया था क्योंकि मुझे स्टाइल फैशन बहुत अच्छा लगता है. और फिर हम लोगों ने कॉमेडी भी शुरू की थी क्योंकि आई वॉज इन एक्टिंग ऑल्सो. सो या
So comedy आपने किया, style आपने किया, and eventually your videos see millions of views. Arjun, I'd like to understand from you, how has the journey been, What prompted you to start a channel for Anantya? And what has been the reason that it's become such a phenomenal success? You put any video, it gets more than 5 million, 10 million views. How has the journey been? Because I see every day there are a lot of kids, there are a lot of people who are trying to be YouTubers, but doesn't happen.
Yeah,
Please.
so see, I mean, honestly, success is a relative term. We are happy at whatever we are right now, the kind of reach we have, we get on our videos and the subscriber base, but we have certain milestone in our mind that, this is where we want to be called successful. But honestly, we never planned that we want to create a kid influencer or, become a family of YouTubers with 8 different channels. But because we are from a very conventional background, both me and my wife, we both are engineers. We were in US, we were working over there, and my wife Shruti, so she is a creative person, so she started as a hobby that she wanted to create videos. And from there, the whole journey started. And then when in 2013 we moved back to India, and obviously she's a niece, so she used to watch her Bua making videos, and she was very excited about it. And when she was 4 years, she used to feature in Shruti's video, and she used to be excellent in front of camera. So we definitely sense that, there is something in her which is making her such comfortable and confident in front of camera. Because I have a 5 years daughter right now, and she just hates camera. So it's not that you can actually force a kid to be camera friendly. It comes naturally. So when obviously, we were expanding, so she started featuring on the channel, and then she came to her Bua and said, "Hey, Bua, I also want to start my channel." So that's how we started her channel. And then obviously, it picked up from there. And yeah, as of now, we ended up creating 8 different channels, and 2 on the kids side. So one is her channel and one is Toy Stars, where we cater to audience of from 2 years to 6-7 years. We do more pretend play, moral stories, and those sort of video which are seeding in some message to young kids.
Got it. Thank you. My next question is to you, Anantya. I'm sure you do so many various types of videos, but then there are branded videos, जहाँ brand inclusion करना पड़ता है आपको. there are non-branded videos.
Yeah.
Tell me honestly, which are the videos which you like, prefer, and why?
I like both because in branded videos I came to try new things that I've never tried, and in normal videos it's a normal shoot, so I like normal shoots too, so I like both.
So for you, eventually, none of it is more challenging. आपको कुछ ये नहीं रहता है कि branded में मैं कर सकती हूँ, नहीं कर सकती हूँ,
नहीं.
नहीं. So I'll throw this to you, Arjun, because here is where, there are a lot of marketers sitting here. I am a marketer. We always have this fight, how organic we can make a plugin. And I'm sure that would be a challenge which you also face. A lot of brands would come in, we want to see the brand here, there, everywhere. So what I want to know for marketers, what advice can you give? You've been on the other side, so that we get the most out of such platforms.
Yeah, so from that aspect, whenever I have any conversation with any brand people, what I tell them very clearly that see, we are creators, right? Content creator, we understand our audience best, like what they will like, what they will not like. And when we talk about a brand person, they know their product best. And only you can create a successful content when there is a synergy between the two and there is a mutual respect that, okay, you do your job best and let me do my job best. And that is the key thing which makes any content successful. Like in last 5 years, we have done more than 100 branded videos across our channels. And in some of the cases, just to give you an example of Kidzania, like they never told us that, talk about this, cover that. No, they just said, do whatever you want to do. And that's when we created this content, we just tried to cover the video from a kid's perspective. Because see, in the end, your audience is kids. They don't want to see an ad, right? All they want to see is how a kid is having fun. So that is the key thing when we talk about, any brand integration, that the integration should be seamless. It should be organic. The moment you try a kid to sell something, it will not work because it will somehow piss off the audience, kids, when you are trying to sell something. So that is the key thing. And, this is one thing which I always follow in my content, that I would rather not do a brand integration rather than doing something which is looking very forced. Because in the end, brand will not be happy as well. Because see, when they come to our channel, they see your average views is 5 million. But when we do a branded video, and that too from a perspective where, half of the creativity was pushed by the brand. So then the video hit only 2 million. And then they come back, yaar, video perform nahi kiya. So there needs to be a reason why it didn't perform. So, that is absolutely important, that creative freedom should always be given to the creative team. And also, measuring the success of a video, when you are working with a kid influencer, the parameters should be different. See, when you are working for an adult channel, like, you're selling a beauty product, so then you can measure conversion in different aspects. But when you're talking about kids, if you expect that I will provide link in the description and there should be conversion based on it, like the kids will never click the link. All they'll do is they will go to their parents and say, okay, Mama, I want this toy. So, that is something we need to keep in mind when we are creating kids content, that you are creating an impression and not a direct selling. So, and that should be the parameters, or that's how brand should measure success of the content, that how organic the impression has been created.
I think I completely agree. I remember again an anecdote when we did the video. We being marketers, we all have KPIs. We did our maths. We were looking at getting, 5 lakh views. We'll be more than through. And then obviously we hit that number in just couple of weeks. But during all those discussions, I think the most important point was we kept it real. We let her decide whatever she wants to do, whatever activities she would like to do is something which works. Now my next question, today I am here as a marketer. If given a choice, I would love to host her birthday again. Okay, but then it's the same content. Okay, so in terms of topics, this question is to both of you. So how involved you are in topics? आप topic decide करती हो, whether it's through your friends or it's through whatever you see, or it is the other way, or it is a mix of both. So I'll first leave it to you.
इट्स अ मिक्स ऑफ एवरीथिंग. कभी कभी मैं सोचती हूँ, कभी कभी मेरे फ्रेंड्स गिव मी आइडियाज़, कभी कभी जो मेरे फैंस अप्रोच करते हैं वो आइडियाज़ देते हैं, और कभी कभी मम्मी के आइडिया होते हैं. सो इट्स ऑल टुगेदर. और हम लोग जो थीम या जो फेस्टिवल आने वाला है, या जो जैसे कि एग्ज़ाम्स चल रहे, तो हम उससे रिलेटेड ही कंटेंट बनाते हैं.
तो क्विकली लेट्स से कभी कोई आइडिया है जो मे बी आपके मॉम से आया है, मम्मी से, एंड अगर आपके फूफा जी का डिफरेंट व्यू है, तो हु विंस ऑन दैट फ्रंट? किसका आप मानती हो?
नहीं, फिर दोनों ही बनते हैं. फिर एक बारी वो बनता है, फिर एक बारी ये बनता है.
Super. Thank you so much.
So we have a very structured approach, when it comes to content. So we have a team, and obviously we get ideas from a lot of people. She contributes to ideas because kids' perspective is equally important, right? But then we do have a very analytical approach. We look at a lot of parameters like, what will work at this time or not. And then we do have a weekly meeting where, the whole creative team sit together, we throw in our ideas, and, mutually we take a decision that whether if the majority says that, okay, yeah, this content can work, then only we proceed with it, otherwise we drop it out. So it's an ongoing exercise because with content, you can't just go on your gut feeling, that chalo yaar, ye bana dete hain, because, obviously that can't work all the time. Sometime, and that's why you see a lot of creators who you will see a fluctuation in their performance. Like, some video will be very viral, million in views, and some is sitting at 50,000. So if you want consistency, you need to take a mix of creative approach as well as analytical approach, so that you can be sure on the kind of success you can get on a content.
Anintya, next one is for you. Out of all the videos you've done, which is your most favorite and why? Which you love the most?
इट्स हार्ड टू टेल. सारे ही बहुत अच्छे हैं, सब में मेहनत लगी है. बट इफ़ आई नीड टू चूज़ वन, ये सपने मेरे, माई ओन म्यूजिक एल्बम, आई विल चूज़ दैट.
Super. And same to you, Arjun. With respect to brand integration, okay, maybe other than Kidzania, which one example you would like to share, some insight which came from the video and is, a big tick mark in the plethora of branded videos which you've done?
There are a lot of branded videos we did. In fact, I was just talking to them, and we did Fukre Boys. So that was another very interesting video we did. So we recreated the characters of Fukre Boys in our content. Like, we tried to cast, we auditioned few kids, and one kid was looking like Chucha. So, we hired him, and then we tried to recreate that same characters in our own way. So, that was an interesting video we did.
And I was Honey in that.
Super. So, again, just taking forward, how do brands typically approach you?
So it's a mix, like, we do get a lot of incoming calls. Like, obviously, we have not shared our numbers public because then we will get more calls from the fan rather than, from brands. So, but we have our emails listed on our YouTube, our Instagram handles, and, now it has been 4 or 5 years, so I'm sure pretty much a lot of agencies do have my contact. So, we do get incoming emails. Then we see a fitment whether this brand or this, campaign is aligned to our content. And then from there it starts. And secondly, the other approach is the outbound approach where, like, if I know Tarandeep, for example, right? And if I have some idea that, I have a Toy Star video shoot where I have to do a pretend play and I'm looking for a location. So then I can reach out to him that, okay, I have an idea in mind. Let's see if we can, do a collaboration. And same goes with brands as well. Like, whenever we create a new content, if we see a fitment of a brand, we do pitch to them that, if you see a possibility, if you have budget, so then, that conversation goes forward. So it's a, two-way communication that happens.
Got it. Thank you so much. The screen tells me time's up. So quickly, I'll just take 1 minute. We did a social media contest where we asked your fans, our fans, what would they want to ask you. So let's do it for the better of the kids. So we'll do a post coffee with Taran. I'll ask you single word questions. You ready for the rapid fire?
Yeah.
It's light, sound, ambience. Okay, who is your best young YouTube artist?
From India or international?
One from India, one international.
India, my sister.
Super.
And
And internationally?
internationally, I have from Sis vs Bro and Tic Tac Toy. They have Addy and Maya, so I like them.
Super.
Yeah.
Next question. Okay, you have to be truthful.
Okay.
What do you love more, vlogging or studies?
Like studies is important, so I like to study, but vlogging is fun. So it's more fun than studying. Yeah.
Okay, your favorite actor?
Actor or actress?
It could be any.
I like Madhuri Dixit and Salman Khan.
Madhuri Dixit and Salman Khan. And we think we know kids. Which is your most favorite animated show? Cartoon, which cartoon you like the most?
I don't watch animated shows, but if अगर मैं मुझे एक देखना है, I will watch Wish and Poof.
Super. Super. And we think we know kids. Okay, next two questions are very difficult. Okay. So whom do you love more, dad or mom?
मतलब दोनों इम्पोर्टेंट हैं. मम्मा मतलब वीडियोस बनवाती हैं और पापा मस्ती करवाते हैं, तो फिर दोनों
बट अभी एक है एंड अगर मैं हिंट दूं मॉम यहाँ है,
हाँ.
डैड आज नहीं है यहाँ. तो इफ यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट वन,
दादी.
you got the better of me. Next question. फुप्पड़ जी और बुआ?
दोनों ही.
दोनों ही.
So just a day before, she was saying, "Fupa ji बहुत judgmental है," because obviously I interact more from work perspective. So you can say honestly, बुआ.
बुआ, हाँ बुआ, क्योंकि फूफा जी को मतलब हमेशा काम रहता है और बुआ मस्ती करवाती हैं.
Super, super. Thank you. The last question, which is from me.
Okay.
A plug-in, but I really wanted to ask you. You've been to Kidzania, Delhi, NCR.
Yeah.
आज Kidzania, Mumbai. जब से तुम आए activities कर रहे हो. Which are your top 3 role play activities here?
टॉप 3 तो नहीं बता पाऊंगी क्योंकि सारे ही बहुत अच्छे हैं, बट अगर मुझे बताना है तो आई विल डू सीक्रेट एजेंट. मुझे वो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. और फिर हमारे दिल्ली में तो टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया है, बट यहाँ पे मिड टाइम है तो वो. और पुलिस वाला.
So detective, you want to be a reporter, police.
या
So probably-
और शामक और हमारे में एक्टिंग वाला भी होता है, वो भी बहुत अच्छा होता है.
Super. Thank you. Just for everyone, I and Arjun did have a chat, trying to pre-up this session. We didn't have any discussion with her. She was not aware of any of the questions. We wanted to keep it real. Thank you so much. I think if we can take some
Let's hear it for
one
Anantya.
or
Isn't
two
she
questions
adorable?
for her.
Thank you.
Thank you, Taran. Thank you, Anantya, and thank you, Arjun. But before you guys leave, special memento from us, and to present the same, may I request Franklin from IWM Buzz to do the honors. Thank you, Taran. Thank you, Anantya. And thank you, Arjun. Thank you, Franklin.